Hi everybody, I have this beautiful puzzle box called Treasure Secret Puzzle Box. On the top I have something like a cutout. This side I have a pattern and I can see like a line here. Yeah, that side is moving, maybe an indication. This side I have some leaves, same pattern, and I see a line here. This side I have some Chinese character and they say remain green throughout the year, and the bottom nothing the special. And when I turn the box something was moving. Yes, this one, and looks like that's the way they're going to move. Okay, and this one is moving. No, it's not yet. Okay, this one go like that maybe. Yes. Okay, no, apparently this one going to go up, this one down, and this one I suppose that will be the same. Now we will go down and this up. And to open this maybe. Yes, okay. To slide that side, this needs to be a little outside. Oh, and this come out. Okay. Now I need to move more that one. Yes. I think this can come. Yes. This part can come. Okay. Let's see if there is something else here. I don't know, maybe this part here. Yes. Looks like it's moving. Okay. And another inside compartment here. And I think that's it. Okay, now to put back. We start with this piece that I slide. Okay, this one will be here. Like that. And this one comes here, like that. Okay, now need to move a few. This needs to be go down like that. I can move this part. This part can come like that. Okay, puzzle box solved. Was not too difficult, I have to say. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and make sure you click and watch the video on the screen. Thank you very much.